This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Fenix 7. To begin, press the up button to access the main menu, then select Map. You can pan across the map by holding the up or down buttons and zoom in or out using the Start/Stop and back buttons. The touchscreen also allows for intuitive navigation. Familiarize yourself with the different map types, such as topographical or road maps, which can be selected in the map settings. This foundational understanding will greatly enhance your outdoor adventures. Moving beyond the basics, let's explore some advanced map functions. The Around Me feature, found in the map options, helps you quickly locate nearby points of interest, like trailheads or water sources, within a radius of up to 5 miles. You can also create and follow custom routes directly on your watch, perfect for planning new explorations. Additionally, understanding the elevation profile provides crucial insights into the terrain ahead, showing ascents and descents over a distance of several miles, helping you manage your energy effectively. Personalizing your map experience is key to maximizing its utility. You can easily adjust map settings, such as changing the orientation to north up or track up, and customize data fields to display information like speed or distance right on the map screen. For adventures off the grid, download additional map regions via Garmin Express, ensuring you have detailed maps for hundreds of square miles without needing a phone signal. Managing map layers allows you to toggle specific information, like public land boundaries or shaded relief, for a clearer view. Finally, let's cover some essential tips and troubleshooting. Always ensure your watch software and preloaded maps are regularly updated through Garmin Connect to access the latest features and corrections. To optimize battery life during long excursions, consider reducing backlight intensity or disabling unnecessary sensors, potentially extending usage by several hours. If your compass seems off, recalibrate it by following the on-screen prompts, typically involving rotating the watch in a figure-8 motion, ensuring accurate direction for your next 24-hour adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.